Hi Himanshu.
Hi, my son, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine actually.
Okay.
What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay.
Tell me about yourself, Himanshu.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am Himanshu Pani. I am basically from Odisha. Now I am staying at Madhapur. It's in
Okay.
Hyderabad. And I did my all schooling and graduation from Odisha also. I did my BTech in 2021. Then after I came to Hyderabad to learn some technical skills. First I learned about Salesforce development and administration. After that I learned about manual testing. In manual testing I came to know that of what is SDLC and what is SCLC and what is the bug life cycle is there, how to report a bug and a defect like that, and what is the types of black box testing is there and what is types of white box testing is there. Then I came to know that how to writing a test scenarios and test cases like that. And if I talking about my hobbies, I love to play indoor games. Along with I playing kanjo. It's a club box drum kind of things it is.
Okay.
And
Are you professional in it?
Sorry, ma'am.
Are you professional in playing that?
Playing cards.
Oh,
No. Playing kanjo means it's a club box.
okay.
It's a drum kind of thing.
Yeah,
Means,
that's why I'm asking you. Are you professional?
I'm not
That
professional.
Did you learn like?
No. I am used to myself.
Okay, that's just your hobby.
Okay.
Okay.
And still I continue.
Yeah,
Okay.
can continue.
If I talking about my short-term goal, then I want to join a company where I can kickstart my career. And if I talking about my long-term goal, I want to see myself as a good person in manual testing or automation like that. It's all about me, man.
Okay, that was nice. Okay, if you get any stressful situation in your job,
Okay.
what will you do?
First of all, I don't be panic about this.
Okay.
First of all, I need to analyze the requirements, what is there, and how to handle the requirements, like kind of things. This is all about.
Okay. If you are given with 5 interns,
5 interns, okay.
after you join a company, you are given 5 interns to lead. Okay. How will you lead them?
Basically, the lead will be assigned by the company or
Yes.
company. Okay. Yes, first of all, I need to interact with them. I need to give some friendliness and what is the weakness and strength of our team. I need to explain them. After that, what are the exact teamwork? I need to explain them. Then we need to explain all about our all about the software, what I need to build and what we are working in some specification, like what component we are working on it and what is the functionality we are working on it. I need to explain them.
Okay.
After that, each for each and everyone, I need to learn the background of these people, what they have done in their past in software testing and software development thing kind of thing.
Okay. Fine. If you have a team, like you are a team in which you have 5 members,
Okay.
you are working under a team lead,
Okay.
and one of your colleagues have a issue with you, like your mental status is not same.
Yeah.
Okay. Then what will you do? Will you fight against them or
No.
will you carry on with that?
Okay. First
Every
of all,
day there is some issue between you both.
okay.
How will you solve it?
In my point of view, first of all, I need to ask him or her what is the problem with me and what type of things they are want from me. After listening from them, I need to like basically what the problem is going on in between us. What the misunderstanding problem
He
is
is
there.
not ready to answer you. He just want to fight with you.
Okay. Then we can talk with our senior or management kind of thing, and we can ask them to relocate or reassign our team, like kind of thing.
Okay. So let's get into the technical stuff.
Yes, sure.
What is SDLC?
SDLC, ma'am, it stands for Software Development Life Cycle. Basically, it is standard procedure to development a software.
Okay, what are the phases?
There are first phases is gathering requirements.
Okay.
After that, we need to feasibility studies there. Feasibility studies means here project head, finance head, or senior team leader, or senior architecture come with a meeting and discuss whether they will take the software or not. After that, design stage is going on. Design means there are two types of design, like high level design, low level design is there. High level design done by the senior developers or senior architects. Sorry, I need to correct. Actually, say high level design is done by the senior architecture, and low level design is the done by the senior developer. After designing, we need to coding the application. Coding means nothing but to writing a programming language and build the application. After coding, testing round is there. After testing, the installation round is the installation after maintenance, depend upon our agreement between company and clients, like that.
Okay. Do you know about environments?
Environments, test environments there, production environments there,
Yeah.
pre-production environments there,
Okay.
and like that.
Not like that.
Oh.
Tell me all. What there?
Okay. Environments, first, there are three types of environment: production environment, test environment, developing environment.
Are you sure about it?
No, ma'am. Actually, I'm a
Okay,
little
no
confused
problem.
about this.
What is black box testing?
Ma'am, black box testing means to testing the functionality of an application according our client requirements, like kind of things.
Okay. What is sanity testing?
Sanity testing means to testing the new functionality of an application. Means if you take an example of WhatsApp, before 5 years before there are no video calling option in WhatsApp. Now they are added some video calling options. To check the video calling options is working fine or not, we do the sanity testing.
Okay, as you have mentioned WhatsApp,
Yeah,
if I want to add a new functionality to the WhatsApp,
yeah.
let it be like I want to watch videos on WhatsApp. Okay, I want to add that functionality. Once I have added, how will you start testing it? What is your first step?
First test, I need to check the regression testing.
First, you will do regression testing.
For you are adding some new functionality to this. Otherwise, we can start from the smoke testing also.
Yes, that's correct. Continue.
With this
continue.
sample. Okay. First, we need to smoke testing. Smoke testing means to test the basic and critical functionality of application.
Okay.
After testing all of this, we need to check the regression testing, because you added some new features to check that whether they are working fine or not, or they are not affected the old features of an application. We are doing the regression testing. After regression testing, we need to do some performance testing kind of thing.
Okay.
Whether the performance when there are so much users are using to watching this video, are they working fine or not, and how the application is capable to handle the stress, like kind of thing.
Yeah. Fine. Okay. What is difference between defect and a bug?
Defect, we can say like whether it is a mismatch between the expected and actual behavior in an application. It is called defect. In the bug means we are used to, in a software technical language, we are used to call bug.
Okay. Here you have written that working as a manual QA internship.
Yeah.
What do you do there?
Actually, ma'am, I have been there for 15 days or 16 days.
Okay.
That's why they are first they are giving me like this kind of training once more, and what in which field you are lacking, like that. And after that they are giving me some projects, like I have already mentioned in my resume. There is Fiverr Messenger is there.
Okay.
They simply asked me to find use this product for some time being, and find some bugs and defects what is going on this Fiverr Messenger.
How many bugs did you find out?
Actually, in that in iOS I found like near about 14 functional testing bugs, and 4 usability testing bugs. Actually, I kind unable to remember all of these.
Okay, no problem. How many test cases did you write?
For this, I wrote near about for 183. 183.
Okay. What are the functionalities did you check?
First, I checked functionality for login page.
Okay.
And also register pages. I checked in both for iOS and Android.
Okay.
And first functionality, I check whether I need to put my phone number, email ID, and my name. And
give me test cases for registration page.
Yeah,
tell me.
Okay. For test cases page, for first name text field, first we need to write the positive test cases. For positive test cases, the requirements is we need to put in between 1 to 20 characters in first name text field. The first we need to enter a character in between 1 to 20. Only string character is there, and we input like as any type of randomly A, B, C, D like kind of things. And after that, I check whether it will working or not. And for phone number field, the requirement was it will must 10 number integer digit will be there. And for that, for positive testing, I put 10 number kind of any randomly number I put, and I check as a user and whether it can be registered or not. It will find working on that.
Okay, did you check all this in physical mobile or do you use
physical
and
physical
yeah.
I downloaded in my phone also.
Okay.
And I downloaded my friend's phone also.
Okay. They didn't give any phone?
No.
That's your phone itself. Okay. Tell me about the models of SDLC.
Okay. SDLC, there are various stages in SDLC. First, I need to writing test plan. System study is first there.
Okay.
After system study, writing test plan is there.
Actually, I have asked you models of SDLC.
Okay. Sorry. SDLC, there are 7 types of models there. For SDLC, first waterfall model, V model, prototype model, hybrid model, spiral model, iterative and incremental model, agile model is there.
As you have started SDLC, continue with it.
Okay. For waterfall model, I will explain about every model.
No. Yeah, before you have said about SDLC, you have started.
SDLC, yeah. Okay.
Continue with it.
Okay. For SDLC, it stands for software testing lifecycle. There are various stages in software testing lifecycle. First one is system study, then writing test plan, writing test cases, then traceability metrics, test case execution, bug and defect tracking. After that, test execution report, and last one is the retrospective meeting. We will start from the system study. Here the tester should try to understand the requirements, and if they feel any type of difficulties, then they should talk or interact with anyone who knows the requirements very well. After that, writing test plan is there. It is nothing but a document which drives all the future activities of an application. In this phase, we need to document it, how many testers should be required for this application, and which type of testing we will do for this application, and how we can easily communicate with the developers, and how many time it will take to testing all of the functionality of an application, like kind of things. After that, writing test cases. Test cases means we need to writing test cases for every features. And after writing every features, we need to assign for our team lead to review it, either it is correctly working or not. After reviewing all test cases, we usually document it in a folder which is called retrospective folder. And actually I want to correct myself, it is refrigerated folder, not retrospective folder. After that, traceability matrix is there. Traceability matrix means, ma'am, it's ensure that every test cases we wrote every test case for every features. Means we are writing test scenarios looking at the requirements, and we are executing the test cases looking in our test cases only. If you are failed to write some test cases for any feature. Means these features might have any type of bug in your future. To avoid this situation, we are writing traceability metrics.
Okay.
After that, we need to execute the test cases. Executing test cases means after executing the all test cases, we need to check whether it is capable to handle the expected and actual result of an application or not. And after that, writing test case means defect and bug tracking is there. Defect bug tracking, here we what we do. I mean, when I will found any type, when a tester found any type of bug in a application, first as soon as possible they need to assign it to any developer to working on it. After a developer found and analyzes the bugs, they need to analyzing the bugs, and they should fix these bugs in some time span. And after fixing these bugs, if the developer after fixing bugs, then the developer assigned to the tester to retest the application whether the bug is persist or not. If the bug is not persisted and the application working fine, then the tester assign is to like it's a closed, or whether the bug is persist in this application, same bug is persist, then the tester needs to reassign the bugs to the developers and the circle going on like kind of thing. After that, text execution report means here we write some text execution report after every test cycle. And assign it to our management team, development team, and our QA team also. In every last text execution report of a last test cycle, we send it to the our customer to ensure that we are working and done with your application. It is the last part. Then the last stage was retrospective meeting. Here the test manager or test list calls a meeting with other test engineers and asks them what type of mistakes they have done in their past and what are the achievements they have got from the application. And after listening these kind of things, the manager need to document in a folder which is called UMS folder, usability management study folder. And there is another folder, it is called retrospective folder. They store in this retrospective folder. And for best practices, like we are test engineers, we need to see this folder to do not the same mistakes in our future kind of things.
Okay.
It's all about STLC.
What are the tools you know? Do you know any tools?
Actually, I know
Like
only
Jira.
about the Jira.
You know about
Jira with the agile process. Actually, I am unable to learn in our institute. It's a kind of paid kind of things, Jira tool. But for 30 days it will be free, and we are accessing only 10 members in this Jira tool, like how to write some issues and how to export all of the Excel sheet from Excel to Jira tool. I know.
You know all those
Yeah.
things. Okay. That was great talking to you.
Thank you, ma'am.